Alright, in this video we're going to go over how to install a external USB port. You have one USB port here on the control unit, and you can buy like an aftermarket type of USB port. This is a 4 to a 1. So as you can see, I've installed some Velcro soft latch. I cut it to the size and then put the harder loop on top. So it's not real sticky because I had this on another machine, but this is a video to explain how to install it. So that's what I've done. Installed 2 pieces of Velcro here. So as you can see, this piece will be attached below on the control unit here. I'm going to plug it in and then bring my cord around to the bottom and then apply pressure up here on the unit itself to hold it in place. So there you go. Now it's a 1 to a 4. Machine's not going to see 4 USBs. It will see 3. So let me show you. Bring you up a little closer here. Install our first USB. So as you can see, it lit up on the end here. Second and third. Now if I come into my floppy A drive diskette here to view my USBs, it shows all 3 here now instead of 1. So you have USB 1, 2, and 3. So there's all my designs on that one. Come back in, I'll look at number 2. There's all my designs on that one. And number 3. All my designs on there. There you go. First USB. Second USB. And third. So if you want, you could do this. I recommend it a little bit because of the wear and tear plugging it in and unplugging on this USB drive for your reader. So this way it continually stays in and you're manually unplugging here back and forth, which, you know, you can buy these fairly reasonably cost at like Walmart or somewhere like that. So there you go. That's how you install an external USB reader. Got a nice fresh piece here. It would stick a little bit better, but you can make your adjustments so forth according to your cord. You can go from a 1 to a 1, 1 to a 2, 1 to a 3. Depends on what you really want. But I would recommend once you use one to kind of mount it either here or, you know, if your cord's long enough, you could mount it up here even. So even on the side, if you wanted to mount it right in here somewhere, it's up to you where you want to mount it. But that's what I usually do, is recommend a external USB reader for longevity of your USB port there.